One of the first people you need to look for in any market you'll be investing in is a good realtor. One of the first questions you should ask a realtor you would consider hiring is, do you own any rentals yourself? And if not, how long have you studied real estate investing? You see, if a realtor doesn't have any real experience being a landlord, you need to make sure they at least understand what all goes into purchasing a rental property. Now, do they have any connections with other local investors? This can be a game changer for you. If you are actively looking to purchase a rental, you will be one of the first people who knows about a rental going up for sale, or better yet, you will know if one of your realtor's connections is thinking about selling, and you have the first opportunity to make them an offer. If you are thinking about selling one of your investment properties, or if you need to for any reason, your realtor will already know people who will most likely want to purchase it. Can the realtor you would consider hiring point you to the right people, such as general contractors, property managers, or even an attorney? If they can, you now have everyone that you need at your fingertips, and you're prepared for just about anything with your investments. Also, if your realtor can do this, that just means that they're deeply rooted within the local market, and that just solidifies their qualifications to help you with your investments. So there you have it, guys. I hope I explained how to find your investment-friendly realtor fairly well for you. If you have any more questions about finding a realtor to help you purchase an investment property, just comment under the video, or you can message me on your favorite social media platform. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment below any questions or suggestions that I should do in the future. Also, if you know of anyone this video would benefit, please share it with them. Again, this is Nathan Barshinger with United Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great week.